Hi guys, Joe here. Today I'm going to be changing the oil in my Trailblazer. I bought this kit on Amazon. It's what they recommend. There's a code down here, and it matches the code over here in the Trailblazer. It has all the instructions on what to do. It says this has 2 quarts of oil, but it says it takes 1.5 quarts. So it's pretty straightforward. The oil comes out of here. Right here's your oil filter. So I'm walking around here looking at everything. Just pulled the dipstick. Oil's looking a little rough. So I just grabbed a bucket here. And it looks like you twist this thing and pull out, and the oil should come out. Oh man, this stuff is rough. Should have probably changed it earlier. It's not past the hours on it, but man, this stuff's like syrup. Yeah, I just noticed something, guys, that the side door actually comes off, so yeah, it just lifts right out. Have a little catch cup to catch the oil coming out of here. It's really hard to get anything in there, but it seems like this spray can lid fits perfectly. As you can see, this is draining really slow, so I'm gonna leave for a little while, let all this oil drain out, and then come back and finish it up. All right, it's coming down to a slow drip now, so I'm gonna try to take this filter off. That was ridiculous. All right, guys, I'm back here 24 hours later. Some stuff popped up and I couldn't get to this. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Only got 262 hours on this thing. I definitely wouldn't wait that long. That oil looks really bad and it's almost embarrassing. These welders aren't cheap. If I knew it was that dark, I looked that bad, I would have changed it a long time ago. It says it's good for 300 hours. No way. I wouldn't wait 300 hours. I would say 150 hours. Check it or something. So, well, anyways, this thing's been dripping forever now, and I'm pretty sure all the oil's out. So now, what I want to do is put the filter on, and what I'm going to do is write down on here how many hours I have on it and the date. So today's the 8th, 5/8/25, and my hours was 260. So I'll put 260 hours. Just put HR. So now I'll know. I'm gonna write on here next change. Let's see, 3, 4, 10. Next change. – . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . change. Let's see, 460. We'll do 410. Even though it says it's good for 300 hours, I ain't messing around with that. It's because this oil's dark, and I don't like it. All right. So next, what you do is got to put the filter on. Well, let's plug this up. So that's all plugged up. And I'm going to crack this open. Feel a little bit on my finger. Put some on here. I know some people like to add a little oil in here, but I'm not going to do that. And I'm definitely not going to tighten this down as much as they had it tightened down. You want to make sure this is super clean. There's a big thick washer on there, so I want to get this as tight as I can with my hands, but I'm not gonna like put this on there to tighten it. And it worked out where this is vertical where I can read it. All right, so now that's done. We got this closed off, the filter's on. Now I'll bring you up here just to make it a little bit easier to pour in there. And it says it takes 1.5 quarts, so this is a whole quart here, and 16 ounces right here would be 1/2 quart. So this is going to be a little tricky because I don't have any measuring cups, so I'm going to have to use this as the measurements right here. So this indicates your 16 ounces is 1/2 quart. So I'm going to try to get as close to here as possible. $16 ounces. All right, I'm just going to go over just a little bit more. Shouldn't hurt. But what I'll do is I'll run it and let the oil get in the filter and everything, and then I'll check the dipstick. All right, to reset the oil on this machine, you have to hold this for 5 seconds until it goes into the setting, and then right here, oil reset. Yes. And that's how you reset the oil. So now we should be on 300 hours. I don't like that, so I think I can actually change it. Let's see if I can change it. 300. Nope, it won't let me reset or change that. But yeah, that's how you get in your settings. Just hold this down for 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and it gets you in your settings. And then you just turn it off, go back and run. It'll tell us our oil. It's 300. So there we go. We're all set. Now I'm gonna fire it up and let it run for a couple minutes. I ran it for maybe 10 minutes and now it's cooled down a little bit. Looks pretty good to me. So that's oil change on the Trailblazer. So any of you guys that have been watching the channel, I'll give you a little quick update. I've been super busy, haven't been able to film much, and I've got videos in process. I'm just waiting for them to get installed and done. So keep an eye out for that. I'm trying my best to get some content out to you guys. Like I said, this is real super busy, and I got things I got to take care of that take priority over the channel, but I'll try to keep you guys updated and posting new content for you. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you haven't liked the video, please do. It helps a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.